Harshita, what happened? You look so confused.
Yes, ma'am, I am confused.
What happened?
Why are these tenses so confusing? I'm unable to learn and revise their rules.
Don't you worry. Let me call all the tenses here with my magic to introduce themselves to you and to all.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I hope that this will help me to improve my relation with tenses.
For sure.
Once upon a time in the mystical kingdom of time, there was a wise and powerful king named Tenses. He had 3 daughters, past, present and future. Each daughter had 4 unique children who had kept the kingdom in order by managing different aspects of time. Now let's meet them.
Welcome to my kingdom. I am King Tess, the ruler of the kingdom of times. Allow me to introduce my 3 daughters and their wonderful children. First of all, my first daughter, Past.
Hello, I am Past. I look after everything that had already happened. I have 4 children who help me to tell the stories of past. The first one is Simple Past.
Hi, I am Simple Past. I talk of the actions that were completed in the past. For example, once a brave knight saved the kingdom.
The second one is Past Continuous.
Hello, I am past continuous tense. I describe actions that were ongoing in the past. For example, the knight was fighting with the dragon.
The one is Past Perfect.
Greetings, I am Past Perfect. I explain the actions that were completed before another action started in the past. For example, the knight had trained for years before he faced the dragon.
The fourth one is Past Perfect Continuous.
Hi, I am past perfect continuous. I describe the actions that were going on in the past until another action occurred. For example, the knight had been preparing for the battle when he was summoned by the king.
Let us meet my second daughter, Present.
Hello, I am Present. I take care of what is happening now. I also have 4 children. Meet my children. The first one is Simple Present.
Hi, I am Simple Present. I describe regular actions, habits and facts. For example, the knight saves the kingdom every day.
The second one is Present Continuous.
Hello, I am Present Continuous. I talk about action happening right now in front of my eyes. For example, the knight is guarding the castle gates.
The next one is Present Perfect Continuous.
I am present perfect continuous. I explain actions that begin in the past and are still continuing or have recently stopped. For example, the knight has been training hard for the upcoming tournament.
Now, let's just meet my third daughter, Future.
Hello, I am Future. I oversee what is yet to come. My 4 children help me to foresee and prepare for the future. Let us meet my 4 children. The first one is Simple Future.
Hi everybody, I am Simple Future Tense. I tell about what will happen in the future. For example, the knight will conquer a kingdom tomorrow.
The second one is Future Continuous.
Hi, I am Future Continuous. I describe action that will be ongoing at a certain time in the future. For example, the knight will be traveling to a certain distance next week.
The third one is Future Perfect. Greetings everyone, I am Future Perfect. I talk about the action that will be completed before a certain point of time in the future. For example, by the next month, the knight will have defeated all his enemies. The fourth one is Future Perfect Continuous.
Hello, I am Future Perfect Continuous. I describe the actions that will be ongoing up until a specific time in the future. For example, by the end of this year, the knight will have been serving the kingdom for a decade.
Remember, each tense has a unique role in our kingdom. Together, they help us appreciate the flow of time and the story they bring. So, thank you for visiting our kingdom. Hope you always cherish your past, live fully in present, and look forward to the future.
And so, the kingdom of time thrived under the guidance of King Tenses and his 3 daughters, past, present and future, and their remarkable children. Each one played a crucial role in helping us to understand tenses. And that concludes our journey through the kingdom of time. We hope you enjoyed meeting the tenses and learning how they shape the tales of our lives. Thank you for joining us.